Hello there, guys. How you doing? What's the story? Hi, Renata. And how are you? Raymond is in there as well. Marcel is watching. Bianca is watching as well. Christina there in as well. Mairead Hoolan, the old cuz is watching. How are you, Mairead? Leona is watching there as well. Jim Maguire is watching. Mighty stuff. And I think I have my amalgamated chat working here on my iPad, so I can see people coming in here from. Terry Torres is over there on Twitch, and Carly Ann is on Twitch there as well. How are you getting on? And Catherine Bryant, Facebook here. So I think it's working anyway. So I meant to go live at 7, but I wasn't able. So I'm live now, and I'm going to be live here for only about an hour or something like that, an hour and a half or an hour and a quarter. So that means I might go live again maybe tomorrow or Tuesday if I can, to make up for it there. So pop into requests and all that kind of stuff, and if I know the song, I'll do it for you. Other than that, I'll sure a bit on with something here, and let me see. Okay, let's start off with more myself up here. Do it all on Tucker. Tucker was a fine old man. He washed his face in a frying pan. He combed his hair with a wagon wheel. He died with a toothache in his heel. I said, get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Tucker came to town, he was riding a billy goat, leading the hound. The hound knocked back, then the billy goat jumped. He landed poor Tucker right on a stump. I said, get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Dan Tucker got drunk and fell into the fire, he kicked up holy hell. A red hot coal got in his shoe. I know, my Lord, how the ashes flew. I said, get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Town, stringing those ladies all around. First to the right, then to the left, and then to the girl that he loved best. I said, get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Thank you very much. Old Dan Tucker. Let me just check something here. I might be coming in a little bit hot. Okay. Let me just see for a second. Okay. Where's that one? That was Old Dan Tucker there. Alright, so I can see the chat coming in here, and I can actually see all the chats on all the different things. No, I actually can't see them. I'll put my glasses here in a second. How can I get that over here? Okay. Yes. Let me go back to the start here again. I love the sound of that guitar, says Renata. I love the sound of it too, Renata. I have the guitar out here for the last week or so. I take it out every couple of weeks, and then I just can't put it away. I don't have any space to leave it out the whole time. But I was dying to do an old stream on it, or even a gig on it. I used to gig it all the time actually, but it just, because it's a guitar and a small body guitar and it's tuned DADGAD, it presents its own set of problems and stuff there sometimes with tuning and all that. How are you, Rebecca? What's the story? Mara Cirelli is in there as well. Melissa Green and Rosa Lupe, I think she tagged. I think Maria is in there as well. Belated birthday shout out to myself. That's right, Carly. What was it, your birthday again? Let me know when your birthday was again. And let's see if we can snake it in there. Someone else's birthday as well on tomorrow, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, okay, let's do happy birthday here for Carly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carly. Happy birthday to you. Cheers, hip hip. Hey, hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray. Happy birthday. I always miss Bowie for that one. I always forget that I don't have him for the hooray or the hip hip. So, a big 21st birthday there to Carly Ann. Fair play to you. And as I said, Raymond is in there as a good evening. Marcel is in there as well. Love some music on a Sunday afternoon. That's right, it's afternoon time over there. Pity Patrick, listening from the broom cupboard. You know my favourites. So any of them or all of them, fine with me. I will, Paddy, because they're on my learning list. So I'll definitely put a few of them on it anyway for sure. Sarah Eichhoff is in there as well. Hi, Sarah. And Sydney Deering is in there. Smiley face. How are you getting on? Kelly, woohoo! I'm here to yell in all the caps so he can see better. Thank you very much, Kelly. I do appreciate the old cap locks, but understand for some people they just cannot bring themselves to writing cap locks because it's crazy. It is crazy. It blows my mind when I hear songs that I reel about when I was a child. Like this one. Is that one you knew as a child, Terry? It's a absolutely crazy cool song. I love that. I heard that song about, could have been maybe, Jesus, actually thinking back about probably 20 years ago now. I was going to say like 5 years ago, but no, 20 years ago down in Cork. A lad called Brian O'Connell introduced me to the Secret Sessions. And Sherry Shoreline? Shoreline? Sherry Shoreline? Schoenline? Jesus. Sorry, Sherry, I don't think I mispronounced your name. Maybe you could type it in there phonetically for me and I'd get it. Supper's over and breakfast is cooking. Old Dan Tucker stands there looking. I like that, Kelly. That sounds like an old should be an inverse in it. Bass drum sounds a bit hard. I changed the bass drum there. You can let me know, Marcel, if it comes across again. I can't see if I'm peaking on the yoke or not there, but let me know for the next song. I pulled it back a little bit there, actually, altogether, but I can bring back that kick drum again. Supper's over. This is was nothing left out but a piece of squash. Oh, so they're the old lyrics. That's interesting. My birthday was back in April and it never got acknowledged. Kelly, you're gonna have to wait till next April. We can't push it back for 5 months, 4 months. You know, we'd push 4 or 5 days, but you're chancing your arm now. We'll probably be better off singing you happy birthday for the next one. It's nearly closer to that one, is it? And no bother, Cardi. John Hardy's in there as well. Good evening, John. I wish I was went down again. Not we all. In the Little House, books by Laura. Oh, I wonder. Laura Wilder. Wasn't that Little House on the Prairie? Something like that. I think that was Little House on the Prairie, something like that. Maybe it was something different. I've just found that Lily the Pink was a real person. Maybe, yeah. Well, a lot of those songs are written about people. Those kind of ones, you know. It's pronounced Shane Line. Very good. Okay, that was a very good try. Thank you very much, Sherry, and thanks for correcting me there on that name. Replying to. Where is that? Miss Bowie too seems like if I saw him, I'd tell him he should do a solo. He would. I would love him. Why don't you everyone text Bowie there, message him and tell him to do a solo stream, and I'll do the video. I would love to do a real fancy video, for him, for a stream for him. Watching that'd be cool. Nice little production there. Yeah, so me and Bowie we had a live gig last night there again, and I think we were doing lots of weddings and stuff like that there, parties and all that stuff. But I think that was one of the first ones we've done back in a pub there since, together. But we're doing a Zoom gig for the Toledo Irish American Club next Friday. We're broadcasting directly to a room in the Blarney in Toledo called the Murray Room, a really cool room. So I see there was some confusion over there with the tickets. If you buy a ticket, you will have to go to America to watch us on the telly. But it's I suppose it's kind of aimed at people who were within driving distance of the Blarney in Toledo. And it's just going to be like a Zoom like we had basically kind of on Paddy's Day, an interactive thing for the people who are having dinner and drinks and stuff. They're in the Murray Room, so it was just a little way for us because things aren't still back fully. So it's a little way of us to kind of get ourselves out there and get a little bit of music into a pub over there as well, a little bit differently than the live ways as well. So we're going to have lots of crack at that there. So if you are within driving distance there, not too far though, don't put yourself out. That's going to be good crack. We've good stuff planned for that. But we're hoping to do a stream as well Saturday, the day after our normal stream. I do have a live gig during the evening, early evening. And we're gonna kind of play it by ear if we're gonna be able to do the stream or not there. So if I'm gonna be back in time, basically. But we're hoping to get a stream done anyway soon. Mary Hackett, come to New York. We were on the way to New York last March 2020, Mary, and it was all cancelled on us there. So hopefully we can kind of pick up where we left off and and we can do Jersey and then New York, and we're doing Boston. That's a few places we had planned along there. Paddy's Day Zoom was great, indeed it was, and we are planning to do a Zoom for everyone as soon as well. Something that we can include everyone into, But they were a good crack. So hopefully by the end of the year we'll figure out a Zoom. Okay, I better do some songs here. I was gonna try. I got a new app for Jesus. I got a new app for reading lyrics. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down. Blow, my bully boys, blow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take her leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called on hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take her leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale still came up and it caught her. All hands to the side and harpoon fought her when she dived below. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take her leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not on greed, but he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take her leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. All the boats were lost, they were only 4. Still that whale did go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The weatherman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down. Blow, my bully boys, blow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Wellerman. And someone actually requested that there of a gig there during the week. Let me just turn that. Our cell was dead right. Go with that kick. Pull it back a bit there. No, I think that's a little bit cryptier. That's a bit cryptier there now. Jesus, the old voice is a little bit at me there now. We had a good scalp of pints last night, and I met the mighty Trash there as well. Had a little chat with him. Is it a thing or a yoke he's pushing? I think it was a thing. because the yolk's on the other side of it. Okay. Where am I now? Let me see here. What's let me see. What can I warm up here with? What was Paddy looking for there? Jesus Christ. Throw something in there. So it's perfect now. I pulled it back the bass drum even a bit more, Marcel, so it should be a little bit fresher there now. Not as bassy, but I think it cuts through a little bit better, man. Thanks. Listen, Toby is in there listening to you straight from the car on the way back home right now. I'm just back as well, Toby, myself there from down the country, and I saw that you had some stuff in the Dropbox for me to download, so I'll get to that. And Sarah is doing a banjo tour apparently in Germany. Fair play to you, Sarah. Who is it? Okay, better do something here. Better do something. Need something to open up the old voice. Post office clerks put up signs saying possession closed, and secretaries turn off typewriters and put on their coats. Janitors padlock the gates for security guards to patrol. Bachelors thrown up their fence for a drink, while the married ones turn on a chat show. And they'll all be lonely tonight, lonely tomorrow. Gentlemen, time please, you know we can't serve anymore. And the traffic lights change to stop when there's nothing to go. By 5 o'clock everything's dead, and every third car is a cab. And ignorant people, they sleep in their beds like the dope white mice in a college lab. Nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. Telephone exchanges get quiet, there's nobody there. And the Martians could land in the car park and no one would care. Closed circuit cameras in department stores shoot the same video every day, while the stars of these films neither die or get killed to survive constant action replay. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. and billboards advertise products that nobody needs. While angry from Manchester writes to complain about all the repeats on TV, and computers, terminals report some gains on the values of copper and tin, while American businessmen snap up Van Goghs for the price of a hospital wing. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. We'll burn down the synagogue at 6 o'clock, and we'll all go along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. There's a little bit of Delamitri there. Let me see there. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, so as I said, Tobias is in there. John, you can always turn the sound down. I miss his confused ranting and the boob claps. I got John in there. I didn't even see John. Is John chatting there? Why do I not see it? I don't know why. Oh, Canada A. Is that a hospital? Kerry-Ann Bosenjack is in there. Over there in Ontario. Somewhere in Ontario. I'm not too sure at the moment where. I think it's beside some water, which does not narrow it down one bit whatsoever. Mary Hackett, awesomeness. Nice one. I would like to join the Finns band playing the old air banjo, and this is my official application. I can start immediately. Okay. Playing the old air banjo. Okay, that's interesting. Sarah, we'll peruse through this application. I'll screenshot it there, and we'll have a look at it, and see where we can fit you in the band, if at all. Because Bowie likes a good old air banjo too, you know, after a few pints. Some libraries banned them because they were offended by the animosity towards England, but pioneer ranks were always at the odds. Could that have been about the Laura Ingalls thing? If you want to simulate a banjo only gig, get 4 cats, throw them into John. I was wondering who this was, cheeky. Yeah. If you want to get simulate a banjo only gig, get 4 cats, throw them into a sack, and then fire them into a lake. It's almost the same sound. You're definitely onto something there, John. And it has to be some kind of metal or tin, something tin thing in there somewhere as well. Although I would associate the cats more with fiddly stuff. Things falling downstairs, metal things falling downstairs. More like banjo. What would you think of that? Need to get you into the middle of the States as well. John Tomasz is in there. How are you, John? Yeah, we're dying to. Bowie knows where he's kind of looking at where we'd like to go and where we were trying to get over. So we're making a lot of contacts now. All you guys, and I'm sure we'll be asking you for advice when we're all kind of ready to get back over there. John is so mean, isn't he, Maria? Jerk. And I have 2 daughters living in Toledo, so definitely within driving distance. Let them know, Sherry, they might be interested in having dinner. It's at 6:30. Doors are at 6, I think, in the Blarney in Toledo, and it's in the Murray Room there. So there's only a couple of tickets left. I'm not too sure. Kelly is running it for us there, so she's doing great with the tickets and helping people out there. So it might be a nice way to spend a Friday evening. Go in there 6 o'clock, 6:30, and a couple of hours there having the dinner and having the crack with 2 chancellors from Ireland on the telly, and we'll be able to see everything there as well using technology. I'm probably reading comments way more than I would normally know, because I have them all here on one screen, and I can see the writing as well. Okay, Oh Jesus, I'm really far back. Fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna skip some of these. Somebody blocked me on Kieran's Facebook account. Oh shizzle. Kerosene Light, I'll do that one for you. Right, congratulations, you received 100 messages today with Restream Chat. Oh, nice one. Glad you went live today. Thanks, Kelly. Fair play to you. I almost didn't. I was aiming to go live for 7, and usual shit. Technical difficulties have pushed me to 8. So I'm going to go on here. I'm only going to go for about another something like another 45 minutes or something like that. But I could be going live tomorrow. So I'm going to get through the songs here. So here's Kerosene Light, and then I'm going to do another few. Because I'm set up now, and which means I need to do this song. I remember the time when I remember the time when my granddad and I would sit by the fire at night, and I listened to stories of how he once lived by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. Said Mom and Dad sent me off to school where I learned how to read and to write, and he listened for hours as I read from my books by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. Grandma and I, we were wed at 16. Lord, she was a beautiful sight, and proudly I placed the ring on her hand by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. About 1 year later, your daddy was born, and your grandma held my hand so tight. I can't tell the joy as she brought forth new life by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. Having that child, it did weaken her soul. She just wasn't up to the fight, for she looked so peaceful as she went to her rest by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. Then as is now, the times they were hard. To succeed, you would try all your might, and sometimes love bloomed, and sometimes dreams die. by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. Well, I remember the time when my granddad and I, we'd sit by the fire at night, and he listened to stories of how he once lived by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light, by the glow of the kerosene light. Thanks very much. There's a song called another 45 hours of play means 1.5 hours in Keys Universe. Normally yes, but as I said, I overdid it last night at the old pints, and I'm a bit rough today now. That's, I don't need to have an excuse. It is Prosecco night as well, so I don't want to get in trouble. It's so cool you have relatives in Toledo. Small worlds, and the States is anything but yes, it is a small world. There's always a way to join the crack, I think you're trying to say there, Marcel, I presume. And Rebecca is in there as well. Rebecca Jackie Hope is in there. Nice to see you. I hope you're doing well. I hope the old ankle is okay. Definitely can't read that tiny font on my screen. I'm not even looking at the video. Is the video up on it there? Is the little... Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah. I haven't finessed the old chat there enough yet. Hermitage Greens New Album High Generation is out now, and The Glow of the Caroline Light is the last track on it. I haven't heard the album, but if the Glow of the Caroline Light is anything to go by, I'd say the album is absolutely amazing. Judy. Jute. Judy. Hey everyone, much love from across the pond. How are you, Judy? Nice to have you on the stream. And 2 hours, 2 hour drive north for us. I suppose that's not crazy, you know. Back in the day in Ireland, 2 hours was quite a lot, you know. But for you guys, I'm sure 2 hours is nothing. Excuse me. What's that guitar? Is a parlor, maybe. This is considered a parlor size guitar. You know, there's different names for them there as well, you know, minis and travels and all that kind of stuff there. But it's a parlor guitar. It's called a Maton Mini or Mini Maton Mini, Australia, and I love telling people about this guitar. It's so cool. It's one of a kind because this thing here, see that yoke? It's called a cutaway, and the guitar was bought, and this part up here was identical to down here. But I had a guy who services the like guitars, like the Edge from U2 and all that kind of stuff, and makes guitars for people. And he's out there in Marley Park, in South Dublin, and he's a tech and a guitar luthier. He makes guitars, fixed guitars, and he actually put a cutaway into it. He actually built in the cutaway. He cut away the wood and he put in something cool. So you'll never see another guitar like this Mini Maton ever again, because it's a cool guitar. The daily pickups in it, as I said, they present a whole range of problems there, because they're small body guitars and they use the same strings as other guitars as well. So there's all the problems that I don't really know why they happen, but they do happen, especially with DAGAD and thicker strings. And so anyway, you could get this guitar and tune it, put like lighter strings on it, and then tune it up Who was it? Skady. You could tune it up like 3 steps or something like that. And that's a really nice thing to do with these guitars. Such a nerd. Good stuff. Yeah, don't forget. It is per second. I better keep doing more songs here. So I'll do one here for you don't seem to be putting in requests, and that's deadly, because I have a couple of songs here that I wanna just try and just kind of hash out to see if I can do them. You know, that guitar is adorable. Who made Bowie's done a guitar? I want one so bad. My guitar it's not adorable. It's cool and it's rocking. But it could be misconstrued as being an adorable guitar, of course. Servicing the Edge guitars. I need to start studying guitar building now. Yeah, the Ferryman. I'll do the Ferryman for Rebecca, Jackie Hope, for sure. And then I'll lash into another couple of songs I have out here in front of me. Bowie's guitar was made by Goldtone, and you know what? The Goldtone are kind of I think they're like a class company. You know, they're kind of disregarded sometimes as kind of being like entry level instruments and stuff like that. But I can tell you that Bowie's tenor guitar is absolutely an amazing instrument, and it's about 700 quid or something. And I actually got it for his birthday. I bought it for him and set it up for him, and that I would like to say that kicked off his songwriting career. I bought it for some important birthday or something like that. Out in Monastery Music, out in Clondalkin in Dublin, and it's a Deddy guitar. And we had compared it. We were in Norway once, and we compared it to a Collins guitar, tenor guitar, worth about four grand or something like that. And his guitar was every bit as good of it. And any tenor guitar we play now, it rivals it. You know, I have a lovely tenor guitar from Andy T. Brown, and it's a different instrument. I had mine different, is kind of specifically made for me, and it's a beautiful instrument as well. But Bowie's tenor guitar is as good as it. So I don't know if it was a fluke or not, but he also has an electric banjo from Goldtone, and that's a super instrument as well. They need a little bit of work setting up at the start as well, maybe tuners and stuff like that. It is super cute, this wee piano guitar. Ferryman. Stop calling my guitar cute. It is super cute. The guy behind the guitar isn't too bad either. Fair play to you, John. The little boats are gone from the breast of Anna Liffey. The ferryman is stranded on the quay, and the Dublin docks are dying, and the way of life is gone. And Molly, it's all over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. 'Twas the only job I knew, 'twas hard but never lonely. The Liffey ferry made a man of me, and it's gone without a whisper and forgotten even now. And Molly, it's all over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Tendy hard, and I spend me days out talking. We'll hear them whisper, Charlie's on the dole. And Molly, we're still living, and darling, we're still young. But that river never owned my heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Singing, if you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Thank you very much. There is a song called The Ferryman. Hey, I'm getting salty about my guitar being cute. It's not cute. But thanks for saying what I'm thinking. Jesus Christ. Hilarious. Flattery will get you everywhere. As the man says, why did you choose a parlour guitar again? Can't remember, but I'm sure you've mentioned it before. A few reasons. I love how I love the feel of them. They're so compact. Traveling, they're great. They'd fit in a hard case. Every overhead locker on a plane in a hard case would fit there. So if you had to do that, you could do that easily. In a soft case, they're even smaller again. Like they're the same size of an electric guitar if you had to go travel somewhere with it. Around town, it was nice to have like a really small guitar, compact guitar, kind of going from gig to gig and all that kind of stuff. That was really cool. So, and I just love, I love kind of small body guitars. You know, I'm not a huge guy. I'm not 6 foot, over 6 foot. So, any of the bigger guitars, the big jumbo guitars, they were all just too kind of big for me. You know. So that's why I have, I think I just think they're fucking looking, they look so cool. I think they're absolutely class looking guitars. This is the Diesel Special guitar, and I always just love like small little guitars, you know. I think they're so cool. I think they're so cute, adorable. Just because it's cute, yeah. God, man, look at that guitar, it's so cute. I think I'm gonna get it. Getting my upright bass into the overhead locker on the plane is a real pain in the ass. John Tomasz. Now that's a cool instrument, man, to play. I absolutely love it, but I'd say it is a nightmare. And that's cool. I didn't know you played double bass, man. That's class. I saw a few things up here as well. I really want to buy more instruments. Sarah, it's an affliction. Is that what you say it? It is. It's a disease. I'm actually aware of Goldtone. Did you buy that tenor guitar as consolation that you stole his other banjo? I can't remember what happened first there, but you know, I think the tenor guitar came there first, you know, and then a few more bits and pieces, and then we started doing the tradings and you take this mandolin, I buy the bouzouki, then you give me that banjo and all that kind of stuff. It depends on the Goldtone. They've got several factories. Depends which one made the factory. I didn't know that, John. I presume there would be a few different factories, one in Europe and one in the States. But I don't know which one made his. And I don't think I've ever played another a Goldtone tenor. I'm not sure. I may have. Yeah, that's two instruments he has now that are from Goldtone. And they're class. His electric banjo is a really cool instrument as well. I love it, you know. Okay, I'm gonna lash out another couple of songs here, if I can. Oh, this was a cool one here. I learned this accidentally the other day. I don't know if I ever. Nope, I don't. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, riding nearly for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I think it's kind of funny, I think it's kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Mad world. Mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And I feel the way that every child should. Sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Mad world. Mad world. Thanks very much. There's I think that was from an 80s band. But covered by another band. I can't remember. I just can't remember. But I looked it up. Key's next song will be a death metal tune called "My Guitar's Not Cute." Yeah, deadly. Nice one. My guitar's not cute. My guitar's not cute. My guitar's not cute. It's cool. My guitar's not cute. My guitar's not cute. It's cool. My guitar's not cute. It's hard. I could do something. You're not a Gretsch man then. I'm not a Gretsch man. I just don't. I didn't have the money to buy one. But I had some in my Thomann basket, and I've been looking at a couple there in a guitar shop called Some Neck Guitars here in Dublin. Yeah, they were always it was always never a kind of a necessity for me, just a kind of a want. But I'd love to get one of the do you know the kind of jazz guitars, Terry, like a Gretsch jazz guitar. So yeah, I'm not a Gretsch man. I love Gretsch guitars. I just never got around to be able to buying one there yet. I think they're beautiful guitars. I got the part of guitar to make me look bigger. I do. I look like a big man with this little guitar, and then if I pick up like a normal guitar, it's ridiculous. So like a child behind it. Does Guinness now make a tea drink? I didn't even get. I would have drank Guinness John for the old cure, but I never got to the shop today. But I had enough Guinness last night to do me for a month, but I want more. So double bass, is that two basses? Double bass is like looks like a large fiddle, a large cello basically. That's what that's kind of what would resemble. And kind of played similarly. I presume you tune it in fifths, John. I know you could probably tune it whatever way you want, but they're kind of tuned in fifths. You know, like I don't know what would be like G D A E or C G D A or something like that. I think it's a low E or something on the double bass. The fella in Lunaset, Trevor Hutchison, you know that band, Lunaset, the Irish band, he plays double bass. Back home in my flat now and watching on the telly. Good man, Toby. As I said, I don't have long left here to do, about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm going to do, what was it, one for Paddy Patrick here, what's it called? No Matter Where I Wander. Nancy Spain. I'm going to try that one here. Keith should do the whole show just geeking out on guitar chat. I'd definitely tune in. You know, maybe I could do a stream like that. John was saying it's kind of cool to mix up streams as well. I think you were telling me, John, anyway, it's cool to do different kind of streams. I would love to go through a few of my guitars that I have there, you know, and all the guitars I wish I never bought. And I can't sell now because I've modified them all. So yeah, I probably won't be able to sell them anyway because I've done something to all of the fucking things. And oh God, shame on me for getting all them yokes. Yeah, so I'd love to go through. Let me know if you'd like an old stream like that, singing a song on each different guitar for the crack. There must be about 20 different instruments there I have. Cool. I would love that. And if Bowie was on with him to talk about the banjos, no banjos, Kelly. We could have him on for a guest spot there, and he could do a bit of talking about his banjo's a Davy Boyle banjo, and it's poor Davy Boyle passed away last year, and an incredible banjo maker. And I can guarantee you that any banjo player that you see, Irish banjo player, either played a Davy Boyle banjo or probably has a Davy Boyle banjo. You know, Pádraig Mohan from All Folk Dub has one there. Eddie Whelan has one. Damaris has one there as well. Damaris Woods. Loads more. I think Josh has one as well. I think he plays clarion banjos as well, or emerald banjos as well. But I'm sure he's a few, and Josh would recommend the other ones as well. Poor old Davy Boyle as well. Tears for Fears, that's right, Kevin Fitzpatrick, and you're welcome to the stream as well, pal. You're dead right. Sang that song in the 80s, and I just can't remember the one who the artist who did it in fucking Donnie Darko. My cousin plays the upright bass. She's got some country. That's right. All right. Nancy Spain. Oh yeah, Paddy, I'm going to do Nancy Spain for you. Okay. 20 different instruments. I'm so jealous. Yeah, you know. Sometimes I look at it and think like I should have just fucking bought a house instead of buying all these stupid guitars. But, you know, so annoying. But I love them all. But if I had to go back, if I knew now what I knew back then, I probably wouldn't have bought a lot of those guitars. The electric I have, I wouldn't have bought the electric. Would have bought a different one. The Taylor Shape, I wouldn't have bought that one. I would have bought a different one. And the two Loudons I have, I would have bought a different shape of it, I think. Okay, I'll do Nancy Spain here, and then I'll have time for two more songs for you. I'll have to do this nice and low because I'm struggling. Jesus Christ. This might be too low. stars that ever shone, not one does twinkle like your pale blue eyes. Like golden corn at harvest time you're here, sailing in my boat. The wind gently blows and fills my sail. Your sweet scented breath is everywhere. Daylight peeping through the curtains, a passing nighttime is your smile, and the sun in the sky is like your laugh. Come back to me, my Nancy, and linger for just a little while. Since you left these shores I've known no peace or joy. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, or you'll return again. Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? In the day in spring, when snow starts to melt and streams starts to flow, with the birds I'll sing this song. Then in a while I'll wander down by Bluebell Stream, where wildflowers grow, and hope that lovely Nancy will return. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, or you'll return again. Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, will you return again? Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? On the day in spring when snow starts to melt and streams to flow, not starts to flow, streams starts to flow. Jesus, adding words in there. If you saw, Jesus, I know I'm missing a few comments here, lads. I'm sorry, but the whole thing is working here. See, look, I have, like Terry's on Facebook, Pity Patrick is on the old Twitch. So is Kelly's on the old Twitch. Christine is on Facebook. I don't think of anyone on YouTube. I did have someone on YouTube. I know Marcel jumped over there because he was kicked off the stream for some reason. But if there is someone on YouTube, put in an old just message there, and I can see if it's coming up in my chat, and then that'd be cool. John Tomatis, EADG, yeah, so fifths,
Is that right? A D G. Oh yeah, so it's E being the highest string, John, I presume, is it? Working back down along from left to right, I presume. I think that's it. Yeah, G being the lowest one. Oh, I got to play a session with Trevor the week before lockdown kicked in. Class, man. That is deadly. Um, that's brilliant, man. Yeah, Trevor's a nice fella. I bought my I was buying like like the oh Jesus Christ, what are they called? The mouse pads for my Mac there a couple of years back, and I actually was out in Trevor Hutchison's studio recording some stuff with a friend of mine, Siobhan Smith, once. I don't think they used anything. Anything that I played, but I was out there anyway recording a bit in the studio. It's a nice fella. But I remember when I was after that, years after that, I was buying a mouse mat from a fella on adverts as like Craigslist or something like that, and he was going to drive up in the car and meet me and give me the thing and give him the money and all that kind of stuff. And then I was waiting. I was just looking at the name and it was like Trev T Hutch or something like that, Trev Hutch, and I was like, Jesus, I wonder. Is that even the little profile picture kind of looks like him, and all of a sudden then Trevor Hutchison pulls up in the car, and I was like, oh Jesus, Trevor Hutchison, what's the crack? And he goes, oh Jesus, how do you know me? I was like, dude, you're from Lunasa, you're a legend. And then he said, like, if you want any more studio stuff, I'm selling a few bits and pieces, give me a call if you ever want that. And I never did because this studio stuff is expensive, so I figured he's all expensive gear. But yeah, he's a really nice fella. I must give him a call to see if he has that and cool. Like, he just said give me a call. Anyway, that's it. Jesus, I'm way back in the comments here, lads. I'm going to leave you off with a couple more songs here. Maybe one more song. And I'm sorry that the stream is E being the low. It's fourth tuning. Oh, fourth. Oh. We call that fifth. Is that not what we call fiddle tuning? We call fifths or something. Houses are overrated, says Kelly. I think we call them the fifths, John. Fourths, it's E being low. The E being low. Oh, it's fourth tuning. That's cool. An octave below the 4 lower strings on the guitar. Cool. Oh. Yes, I'm getting confused with that. It's E8. Oh yeah, like a guitar. E A D G B. E A D G B E. E A D G B E. That's cool. Yeah, that's funny. I don't understand that. Yeah, because if we were going to tune a fiddle, we tune it like our banjo. You tune it like a G, and then like a G D A E, and then we'd say it's tuned in fifths or something like that, because, and then you do the for something I don't know what it is. That's Telly, man. Cool. The double bass is class. I say it sounds amazing. Listening on YouTube. Hey big. What was that? Hey Lane, I think. Is that Lane? Is that? Listening on YouTube. And thanks for the text there. Great stuff. I didn't mean you to have to text. I wanted to test to see what was working. So now I do know it's working. So that's brilliant. Trevor's a cool guy. Almost all the big name Irish musicians I've gotten to session with. That's deadly, John. So cool, man. You're a lucky guy. I had the tenor banjo, Irish whistle, baron and alto saxophone. Tenor banjo's my true love, though. But if you play mando, tenor banjo is tuned the same. That's right, yeah. Nerd out on all this all day, lads. Let's leave you off at one more, and Let me know if would a Monday stream work for you or a Tuesday stream. I don't know if I can do Monday, but I could do Monday or Wednesday because I have a gig on there in town. So let me know, and I'll do it. I could do one tomorrow night there for sure, and I could do one Tuesday. Let me see, what can I do here? Let me see, what can I do here? Or if anyone has a request there, loads of shit here. I might try this one here unless something comes in there. She moved through the fair. Okay. Okay, I have an idea. I got it. Let's try this. Well, my young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't like you for the lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. And she went away from me, and she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then she went onward, this one star awake, like the swan in the evening, moved over the lake. Last night she came to me, my dead love
came in. So softly she moved that her feet made no din. And then she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. It was down by the glen one Easter morn, to a city fair rode I. Those armoured lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No fife did hum, no battle drum did sound its dread tattoo, but the Angelus bells o'er the Liffey swell rang out o'er the foggy June. Right proudly high over Dublin town they hung out the flag of war. 'Twas better to die 'neath an Irish sky than Sulvar Sulvar. And from the plains of Royal Mead strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's sons with their long-range guns in the foggy June. 'Twas Britannia bade our wild geese go, that small nations might be free, but their lonely graves are by Sulva's waves on the shore of the great North Sea. But had they died by Pierce's side, or fought with Cathal Brugha, oh, their names we would keep where the Fenians sleep, 'neath the shroud of the foggy June. But the bravest fell, and the requiem bell rang mournfully and clear for those who had died that Easter tide in the springing of the year. And the world did gaze in deep amaze at those fearless men, but few, who bore their fight that freedom's light might shine through the foggy June. That's guys, I said I'd mess around with that one there. I thought the two of them kind of go nice together. I have to practice
Practice the second one there for sure. Lads, have to leave it off at that one there and get myself an old bottle of on a glass Prosecco there. I'm looking at this one over here. So, thanks so much for tuning in there as well. I saw a few tips there going in as well, so I really appreciate that. Don't feel the need to absolutely just tune in and share and tag and all that kind of stuff there. And if you haven't followed all the social media bits and pieces there, the Instagram one, even though I'm not doing much on the Instagram one, I should be, and give us an old follow on whatever you need to do on YouTube as well. The channel Kieran Finn, you just type in Kieran Finn Music, you'll find that there. Same on the Twitch, same on Instagram and Facebook there, of course, as well. I like that mashup. I think that's kind of cool. I think there's something there. No bother, Kevin. Thanks very much, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. And Julie Arthur is in there as well. There, I don't think I mentioned you. I didn't see your comments before there, Juliet. But thank you so much for jumping in there. No bother, guys. Sorry, it's a short one there. But I promise I'll make up for you. I could be closing in on maybe on the 1,000 followers there on Facebook there, and if I reach 200 on Twitch, I'll probably do something as well. I'll do an extra long stream sometime. So I do appreciate it here. I don't think I am. Oh yes, I'm not even on. Let me go onto Twitch here, and I'll Rachel Grace violin. Let me go on here, John Timaeus, and I'll do that. Rachel Grace violin there. So if you guys wanted to look at some more music tonight, I'm sure I never heard Rachel Grace doing the violin there. Yeah, I don't think. But let me do it. Let me do the old thing here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start that raid now. There's a few people watching there on Twitch. If you wanna experience a raid, go over onto my channel and Twitch there, and you'll get landed onto another stream automatically. So what was it again? Jesus, what was it? / raid. Rachel Grace violin. RACH. I know a Rachel Grace here in Ireland that sings and plays guitar, and she is an amazing singer. But okay, raid Rachel Grace violin. So there we go. The raid is set up there, lads. She just went live a few minutes ago. Okay, so I'll wait until that kicks in there, and I'll just say. So lads, thanks very much. Appreciate it. The voice is a bit rough now today, I have to say. But thanks for Marcel, and thanks for Nata, thanks Christina, thanks Petey. Thanks Kelly and John and Catherine and Maria and Terry, Raymond, and probably John Timaeus. Thanks very much, pal. Who else is in there as well? I know there's people. I don't want to miss anyone there, but thanks for tuning in anyway. Let's go on raid here and see what she says. I'm going to raid here. 83 viewers already. Holy God. That's pretty.
Thank you. Turco, thank you for the host. And thank you for the help earlier today.
There she is. Gee, she's not bad.
Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in. Hello, how are you doing? I gotta check you out too, both you. And
See what she says that.
the side flip. How was your stream? Welcome in, you guys. We're just kind of getting started.
So they're so professional. It's crazy. Look at them. They're like MTV presenters.
Before I do that, I want to make sure that I thanked all of you for this amazing hype train feel with the 1,000 bits. What? Oh my gosh. Hawk6 Phoenix with the host, Rep Money with the host, 7.
Come on, Mrs. Hurry up. Give me an old mention. Go on.
And then Rep Money. Oh, Rep Money, thank you for those gift subs. I love that King Zalo got a gift sub as well. Regina, thank you for the gift sub to Makeda and Evil Shy. Come on.
Give you 2 seconds.
Gift sub to Brightside Movement.
Then I got to go.
7 for the 100 bits.
No bother, Daniela.
El Viejo for the 1,000. Sparking School for the 100.
See you, John. Have a good one, pal.
And Affectionate Scar for resubbing. You guys,
shared, posted, streamed, and mountaintops to fall. Yeah. Hello from Brazil, Julian. Just finished, man, but thank you for.
Yes, things are going down like literally over here. Okay, let's get this raid sound going. Let's do something. Hi, for everybody new, my name is Rachel Grace. I'm a professional violinist, originally from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
But I live in Los Angeles.
Screen from Mountain.
Electric.
All right, forget about it.
Let's do a raid song. Hopefully nothing will drop this time.
I think everybody.
It'll be so nice.
Everybody rated there. But go over and check her out there. Rachel Grace violin. Sorry, Rachel, I have to turn it on there. So, she's good. And I know she's being requested. She just went live a few minutes ago. Yeah, she's probably fantastic. I'll have a look at her here when I'm just wrapping up quickly. Guys, thanks very much. I appreciate it there. And I'll see you soon on the next stream. What to do here? Stop that and go off here. So I'll see you on the next stream there during the week for sure. Maybe tomorrow night, maybe Tuesday. It won't be Wednesday, and it won't be Thursday, and it won't be Friday. And we might see a Finn stream on Saturday. So just be watching out for that there. So have a good one, and mind yourself. Have a good Sunday night.